Why were learning styles debunked by science? Imagine trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. That's what believing in learning styles is like. It sounds logical, but science has shown it just doesn't hold up. Learning styles suggest that people learn best when information matches their preferred sensory mode, like visual, auditory, or kinesthetic. Many teachers and students have believed this idea for years, thinking it helps improve learning. But recent research has shown that this isn't true. Scientists have tested the idea that matching teaching methods to learning styles actually makes a difference. They set up experiments comparing students who learned with style-matched methods to those who didn't. The results? No significant difference in how well students learned or remembered the material. So, whether someone prefers listening or watching, it doesn't change how effectively they learn. Another problem with learning styles is that they are not stable traits. People might say they prefer to learn by seeing or hearing, but these preferences can change depending on the subject or situation. For example, someone might prefer listening to a lecture but perform better when reading a textbook. This inconsistency shows that learning styles are not reliable indicators of how someone learns best. From a brain science perspective, the idea of fixed learning styles is also flawed. Our brains process information in complex, flexible ways. Different types of information are handled in different brain areas, but this doesn't mean we are locked into one style. The brain's learning process is more about how we use different strategies rather than fitting into a specific category. Believing in learning styles can also be harmful. Teachers might waste time trying to customize lessons for each supposed style, which doesn't improve learning. Students might focus only on their preferred method and miss out on more effective strategies. This can limit their ability to learn in different ways and reduce overall progress. Instead of sticking to the myth of learning styles, research supports using study techniques that work for everyone. These include spaced repetition, retrieval practice, and mixing different senses during learning. These methods have been proven to boost memory and understanding across all types of learners. From a learning and retention perspective, it's better to experiment with different approaches. Read aloud, listen to recordings, teach others, or do hands-on activities. Find what helps you remember best for each subject. Building a toolkit of effective strategies is more helpful than trying to fit into a fixed learning style. In the end, science shows that matching instruction to supposed learning styles doesn't improve learning. Preferences are unstable, and the brain is too adaptable for fixed categories. Focusing on proven, flexible methods will always lead to better results than relying on the myth of learning styles.